Okay, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at ang mga kapitbahay nating bansa, no? Ang bansang Japan, Hong Kong, Australia, New Zealand, Taiwan, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Korea. Okay, lahat po kayo ay binabati ko ng good evening. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. And of course, ang bansang Amerika, okay, ang Canada, ang Germany, ang UK, ang Russia, ang Israel, sama na natin ang China, no? Mabuhay po kayong lahat, no? And good morning po sa inyo at good afternoon sa mga taga UAE, sa mga taga Saudi. This is your Crown Diamond Coach, Fernan Santiago. And ako po ang speaker nyo ngayon. Tara, magkwentuhan po tayo. Okay, sa mga first timer na nakikinig dito, sige nga, gusto ko lang malaman, meron ba ng first timer na nakikinig dito? Can you please type number 1? Kung ikaw ay first time na makapakinig ng napakagandang opportunity sa Live Good na imbitahan ka, type mo lang number 1 para alam ko po. Ayun, si Daniel, Christine, Sarah Khan, ayan, Dexter Gomez. Di ba? Ang sarap pag may mga first timers na nakikinig, no? Ayan, para sa inyo po itong presentation na to, no? At lahat po ng nanonood, no? Sa FB Live. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Welcome po. Sa aking mga fellow network marketers, silipin niyo po ang Live Good. Blessing po ito sa ating lahat. Ayun, ang daming first timer, oh. Jordan, Ampere, Upline, Marizel, Tubanya. Ayan, Coach Alvin, sino to? Alinsisa Hazan. Aming, yan. Coach Alvin. Alright, dami. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, sa hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin, magpakilala lang ako sa inyo ng mabilis, no? I'm Coach Fernan Santiago, one of a Live Good pioneer. Actually, lahat tayo rito ay pioneer. Kasi po napakabata pa ng Live Good, no? 19 months, no? 19 months old. Ayan, first time nating makakita ng ganitong napakagandang opportunity, no? First time na wala akong nag-invite sa akin sa ganitong company, no? And na-research lang po natin to. Ako po ay professional network marketer, more than 26 years, no? In MLM industry. And si Coach Fernan po, medyo maselan, ha? Sa ganitong pagsali, no? Sa mga ganitong company. I'll check three things, no? Basic na basic yan. The company stability, the quality of the products, and the marketing plan. Hindi pwedeng marketing plan lang ang titignan mo. Tapos pag nabaliw ka, magjo-join ka na. Hindi po pwede yon. Dapat yung tatlo na yan. Approve sa'yo. Importante po yung ah, pangmatagalan yung kumpanyang sasalihan mo kasi masisira ang pangalan mo kapag ka 6 months lang yan, magsara na. Di ba? Next time, wala nang maniniwala sa iyo. So, doon po maingat si Coach Fernan. Okay? So, I'm a businessman and hindi po traditional businessman. Ito po kasing network marketing, no? Consider as business, no? And nabuhay po tayo talaga sa MLM, no? Saglit lang tayo employed kasi hindi ko makita talaga yung dreams ko, no? Sa pagiging empleyado. I have nothing against employment, all right? Employment is not bad, but please do not stay there forever, no? Hindi ka payayamanin ng employment. Yung boss mo yayaman, ikaw hindi. Okay, mag-business ka. Kaya lang sa panahon ngayon, mahirap mag-business kung wala kang malaking kapital. So, ito po, no, pag-usapan natin, Live Good isang negosyo pero hindi mo kinakailangang maglabas ng malaking capital. Okay? So, I'm a first diamond in the Philippines, first crown diamond in the Philippines, second crown diamond in the whole Live Good family. Okay? And I'm a Dream Makers Worldwide founder. Yung logo pong nakikita nyo sa taas, yan po ang logo ng DMW o Dream Makers Worldwide. Tagapagpatupad ng pangarap. Yung color purple, letter G po yan, and that is God. Okay? So, ang sentro po no, ng Dream Makers, ito po yung pinanganak sa puso ng Panginoon. Kaya naniniwala ako na ibe-bless ng Lord ang lahat ng taga Dream Makers worldwide. Okay, so simulan na po natin ang ating presentation. Meron akong ipapanood na video sa inyo, no? And itong video na to, maririnig nyo si Ben Glinsky, ang ating founder and CEO. salaminin lang natin para magkaroon na kayo agad ng idea who is Live Good, what is Live Good, anong klase, konsepto meron ang Live Good. So kung ready na kayo, please watch this video.
Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, grabe no, napakaganda ng landing page no. Alam nyo, napanood ko pa lang to, sabi ko, puputok tong kumpanya na to no. Kung makikita lang to ng mga kaibigan natin no, mga fellow network marketer, mga friends natin no, imposibleng di nyo ito magustuhan. Kailangan lang talaga maintindihan nyo, maunawaan nyo. So this is not a traditional network marketing, alright? This is a club membership with subscription with dividend. Ibang concept na po ito. Okay, so tuloy natin ang kwentuhan. So this is Live Good, the membership that pays. Kasi napakarami pong club membership, no? Aware na kayo dyan, no? Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, Disney Plus, meron niyang monthly na binabayaran ka. Okay? Pwede ka rin mag-yearly. At tignan nyo naman po kung magkano ang monthly ng bawat kumpanya na yan. At ilan po ang membro sa ngayon? Grabe, no? Amazon Prime, nasa 200 million members. Ang Netflix, 240 million members. Ang Sam's Club, 70 million members. Ang Costco, 123 million members. Ang Disney Plus, 150 million members. Ibig sabihin lang, no? Ang mga club membership company, dahil sa ganda ng service na binibigay, no? Gusto ng tao. Kasi hindi po dadami ng ganyan ang mga miyembro no ng bawat club membership kung walang ino-offer na service na napakaganda at gusto ng tao. All right? Sa halagang $14.99 per month, $9.99, napakagaan. Okay? Kaya lang po, yan po mga club membership na yan, hindi ho tayo sinusuklian. Bayad lang tayo ng bayad. Okay, pag-usapan po natin ang nag-iisang uh, club membership company that pays, and that is Live Good. Ha? Paano tayo babayaran dyan? Ayan ang pag-uusapan natin. Balikan muna natin ang Amazon, no? On July 16, 1995, Amazon officially launched, no? Selling books online. High school pa lang yata ako, no? Meron na niyan eh. Okay? So, bibili ka ng libro online. Ayan, digital. Yan po ang ino-offer ng Amazon. Pero, asa ng Amazon ngayon? In the early 2000, Amazon expanded well beyond books. Nagkaroon sila ng mga videos, music, offering clothing, electronic, toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscription, no? Lahat na under the sun ng gusto mo meron kay Amazon, mabibili mo. Pati nga bahay eh. Pwede kang bumili ng bahay, no? Sa Amazon. Ganun kalupit, no? Now, who is Live Good and what is Live Good, no? Live Good, ito yung nilaunch globally noong December 13, 2022 from Jupiter, Florida, USA. So, ang model niya po ay wholesale membership club. Okay? Hindi yung kagaya ng mga traditional MLM na nasasalihan natin. Ibang-iba na po ito. Kaya mga fellow network marketer, pakinggan nyo to. Ibang concept to. Alright? Alisin nyo muna yung mga agam-agam nyo. Kasi sayang yung opportunity eh. Okay? The first home-based business opportunity that profits shares its membership revenue with affiliates. Ito lang po ang club membership na nagbibigay po ng profit. Okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng dividendo habang nagbabayad ka ng subscription. Okay? Basta member po kayo rito. Ngayon, kung paano ka tatanggap nun, abay, pag-uusapan natin yan. Okay, Live Good revenue comes from the membership and not from product sales. Usually po, ang mga network marketing company, kumukuha po ng pang-payout, no, sa sale ng products. Live Good hindi po. Hindi po pinagkakakitaan ng Live Good ang products. Kumikita po ang Live Good sa membership, no, na napakababa lang. Tapos, sineshare ng Live Good yung ibang part, no, ng membership na natatanggap nila. Ngayon, yung products hindi na kinakailangang pagkakitaan, no, ng Live Good. Alright? Kaya ang service na binibigay po ng Live Good is to enjoy, no, highest quality organic products, factory price. Okay? Wholesale price. Ayan. So ang Live Good po, break in the record, ang members po nasa 1.3 million. Actually, almost 1.4 million na po ang member in just a matter of 19 months. Grabe, no? Hundreds of people joining every hour. Grabe po ang Live Good talaga, no? Ayan, ito po ang may-ari, no? Ben Glinsky, ang ating founder and CEO. Dati po siyang networker, no? Distributor like us, no? Pero ngayon po, owner na siya ng mga networking company, no? Na-experience na rin magtayo ng mga traditional MLM. Ngayon, ito yung latest na kanyang tinatag, no? Itong Live Good na kakaiba. So with over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. Grabe po ang mind nitong tao na to, no? Na nagawa niya to, na itayo ang Live Good taliwas sa lahat ng mga traditional MLM na nakagisna natin. Okay? Marami kang hahanapin dito sa Live Good na wala na po rito, no? Na dating meron sa old company mo. Kasi nga iba na to eh. Lahat ng nagpahirap sa mga distributors kung bakit nagki-quit sa networking company, no, na sinalihan nila, tinanggal yon lahat ni Ben. Okay? Pinagaan niya ang Live Good. For me ang Live Good po ang pinakamagaan, no, na trabahuhin ng kumpanya. Okay? Actually, walang magagalit sa iyo rito eh. Kasi hindi mo kinakailangan maglabas ng malaking pera rito eh. Napakababa lang ng club membership natin eh. At andali ng ROI. So ito po yung leadership team ng Live Good. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development. Siya po ang formulator ng products natin. Of course, Lisa Goodkin, mag-asawa po yan, the Director of Product Education. And Nauder Kasan, the Director of Field Development. Ang babata pa po ng mga yan, no? And alam nyo, pag pinagsama-sama yung experience ng mga yan, more than 100 years, no? Na experience meron sila. Na kaya sigurado po, no? Nasa mabuting kamay po tayo nitong mga tao na to. Okay, pag-usapan natin ng Live Good, no? Ang Live Good po, nag-start siya sa high quality organic, certified very affordable natural products. Okay? Mabibili mo siya ng wholesale price sa mga members. Yan po ang service na binibigay ni Live Good. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-member ka sa Live Good, no, as a club member, you will enjoy organic products sa murang halaga. Ganun kasimple. Okay? Yung $100 sa ibang company, $18 lang sa atin. Ganun ang difference. So yung natitipid mo na amount of money, pwede mong ipang grocery, pambayad ng mga bills, all right? So yun yung tignan nyo. Hindi yung ilalabas mo na subscription na $9.95 every month. Okay? Habang active po kayo dito sa Live Good, may enjoy nyo po yung murang products. Ayan, example para makita nyo lang. Yung Athletic Greens, no? Sikat din yan, ha? $99.99 ang halaga. Tignan nyo yung Super Green. Sa atin yung nasa baba. Sa Live Good yan, $18 lang. So magkano natipid mo? $80. Oh, alin ang mahal? Yung $9.95 na subscription mo every month o yung $80 na natipid mo? 'Di ba? Alin ang blessing diyan? Kaya parang feeling mo walang nangyayari sa pagsasubscribe mo sa Live Good, hindi mo pa kasi na-experience na makabili ng murang product sa Live Good. I-enjoy nyo yan. Yan ang essence ng club membership dito sa Live Good. O tignan nyo po yung ano no, yung protein. Ayan, total vegan by Numedica, $62.95. Sa atin, plant-based protein, $22 lang. Magkano na naman natipid mo? $40 to $41. Oh, yung pong collagen sa Green Compass, 79.96, sa atin 27.95. Diyan pa lang sa tatlong product na yan, nakasave ka ng $174.95. Oh, isipin mo, tatlong produkto lang orderin mo. Yan ang natipid mo, 174.95 versus $9.95 na feeling mo walang nangyayari. Kabayad ka ng bayad ng subscription. Hindi, marami kasi hindi po naintindihan, no? Ang meaning ng subscription sa LiveGood. Kaya ka nagsasubscribe sa LiveGood to enjoy organic product. Bumili ka lang kahit isang item, ma-appreciate mo na. Ganon. Okay? Eh, magkano lang yung $9.95? ₱595. Okay, tuloy natin. Meron tayong International Wellness Pack. Isipin mo, 6 items. Mas mahal pa rin yung ano, yung athletic greens, no? Ito, $89.95 lang. 6 na products na yan. No? Meron kang Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men or women, vitamin D3, K2, okay, Ultra Magnesium Complex, Organic Super Greens, Organic Super Red, and Factor 4 for anti-inflammatory. 6 items. Mabibili mo lang sa halagang $89.95. Ito malupit. Free shipping globally pag yan ang in-order mo. Kahit saang lupalop ka ng bansa, nandoon. Darating sa iyo yan, libre ang free shipping. Okay? Galing. O, tuloy natin. Ayan, pag-usapan natin, the Amazon of social marketing. Yes, LiveGood is the next Amazon of social marketing, but LiveGood is not a health and wellness company na nakagisnan po natin na bibili ka ng package, magme-member ka, ibebenta mo, ang mahal ng pagkakabili mo, ang mahal mo ding ibebenta, kawawa yung end user. Okay? Sa LiveGood, hindi ka magbebenta rito. Alright? Pwede ka magbenta pero hindi ka ino-oblige magtinda. Tuloy natin. Live Good launch with health and well-being products as a result of COVID and the elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. Alam naman po natin na tayong lahat nanggaling sa pandemic time, no? Last 2020, no? 2019, 2020, 2021. Grabe, walang mayaman, walang mahirap nung time ng pandemic, no? Kaya timing din no na ang mga unang product na nilabas ng Live Good ay mga organic product dahil marami sa atin o maraming tao nangangailangan nito. Kaya lang po ang mahal no ng mga organic product, mga quality product. Pero sa Live Good no, ang mission kasi ng Live Good no, maging healthy tayo pero hindi masasaktan yung bulsa mo, no? Murang halaga mo mabibili ang mga products natin. So Live Good will be your one-stop online wholesale superstore. Darating ang araw, hindi lang po organic product meron tayo, no? Like Amazon, under the sun, kung anong produkto ang kailangan mo, meron tayo sa LiveGood pagdating ng araw. Okay? So nag-start tayo sa health and wellness. Time will come, meron tayong mga travel services, mabibili mo yung travel ticket, okay? Mga hotel accommodation online sa murang halaga. Mga household products, skincare, water filters, online services, etc. No? Pero ito nga maganda. Ito lang ang Live Good na kung saan ang mga members no binabayaran ng Live Good. Eh sa iba pong club membership, subscription, bayad lang tayo ng bayad eh. Pero never tayong bayaran ng company. Okay? So why I joined Live Good? I'll give you 6 reasons. Number one, we have amazing products. No? Napakaganda ng mga produkto natin. Time will come, no? People join in Live Good because of the product. Magjo-join sila kasi quality products, gusto nila yung products, tapos mura nilang nabibili. Number two, incredible wholesale pricing. Nakakagulat naman talaga, no? Organic quality product, tapos ang presyo napakababa. Number 3, 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Meaning, ubusin mo yung laman, within 90 days, balik mo yung empty bottle, no question asked, ibabalik yung pera mo. Number 4, nothing to buy or sell, no auto shipping. So you have no obligation to buy products. You have no obligation to sell products. Gusto mo, huwag ka nang bumili kahit kailan eh. Oh, hindi mo kailangang bumili, hindi mo kailangang magbenta, pero mapapabili ka. Lalo na kung mahal mo yung health mo at alam mong kailangan mo yung product. Kasi mura. 'Di ba? Number 5, powerful compensation plan. Yan ang wala sa ibang club membership. Wala silang marketing plan na pwedeng kumita ang mga members. Sa LiveGood, meron po. And number 6, timing. Just launched, no? Nung December lang, 2022. Napakabata pa po ng LiveGood. For me, LiveGood is the number one business right now in the planet. Napakagaan, hindi ka makakasakit ng kapwa mo. Okay? Kasi less than 3,000 member ka na rito eh. Tapos nai-enjoy nila yung napakagandang produkto eh. Tama? Oh, ngayon, naku, eto na. How to become an affiliate member dito sa LiveGood. Okay? Number 1, get back to the person who invited you here. Kung sino po nag-invite sa inyo, hingin nyo po yung link niya. Okay? Sabihin mo, bro or sis, magjo-join na ako. Narinig ko si Coach Fernan. Ang ganda pala ng LiveGood. Magme-member na ako sa iyo. Ayan. Kung sino po yung nag-invite sa inyo. Okay? As a member, it's only $9.95 per month to enjoy quality product. Okay? Member price. Pero kung gusto mong lahat ng benefits sa LiveGood ay kasama ka, mag-affiliate kayo. As an affiliate, meron pong one-time na $40 affiliate fee. Okay? Tapos isama mo yung monthly na $9.95, kaya $49.95. In peso, sabihin mo na 2,950, 2,975. Wala pang 3,000 pesos. Affiliate member ka na ng LiveGood. And then, grab the link from the person that invited you here today. Okay? So, wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Mag-member agad kayo para magkaroon din kayo ng sarili nyong link. Yun namang mga prospect nyo, sa link nyo sila magjo-join. Okay. So, we can earn 7 ways sa LiveGood. Ayan, ito na po ang affiliate compensation plan. Number 1, weekly fast start commission, as in weekly, every Thursday, no? Marireceive nyo po yung earnings nyo, yung commission nyo, basta may mga nasisharean kayo at nag-a-affiliate member sa link nyo. Okay? Every Friday ang cut-off, kanina, 3 p.m. Alright? Lahat po ng na-close nyo itong week na to, sa darating na Webes, you get your fast start commission, weekly fast start commission. Number 2, matrix commission, monthly yan. Number 3, matching bonuses, retail commission. Number 4, number 5, customer acquisition bonus. Number 6, influencer bonuses. Number 7, diamond bonus pool. Okay? Isa-isayin natin yan. Ayan, ito lang ang kumpanya na nagbibigay ng 50% fast start commission or direct referral. Okay? Karamihan po sa mga networking company, 10% lang po ang direct referral. Halimbawa, at 10,000 ang kanilang package, no? Marireceive mo 1,000 pesos lang. Sa amin nga nun, 800 lang eh. Oo, wala pang 10%, no? So, live good, 50%. Isipin nyo po. Okay? Pag may nag-join sa inyo, $49.95, alright, you will receive $25, 50%. Halimbawa, may sumali sa'yo, si Juan de la Cruz. Ginamit niya, credit card niya. Siya ang mag-join sa sarili niya online. Wala kang i-receive na pera. Basta meron siyang credit card or debit card. Magugulat ka, on the very next week, may $25 ka. Okay? Kaya lumalabas, ang pumasok lang sa company is $25 o wala pa. Di ba? Sinoli sa'yo yung $25 bilang sponsor. Ngayon, kung 10 ang na-enroll mo ngayong week na to, okay? Itong week na to, on the very next week, you receive $250. Why? 10 times $25 is $250. Ngayon, ang maganda po sa Live Good, no? Up to the 10th level, you will receive fast start commission. Pagka bronze po kayo, pati second level, invite mo, may 10% ka pa. Okay? Basta pag direct mo, 50%. 50% ng ano, nung $49.95. So 10% of what? Nung $49.95. Ganun lang po yun. Okay? So pag silver ka hanggang 4th level, pag gold ka hanggang 6th level, pag platinum ka hanggang 8th level, pag diamond ka up to the 10th level. So the more mataas yung rank mo dito sa Live Good, you are diamond, magugulat ka. Invite ng invite ng invite ng invite mo, you earn sa fast start commission. Okay? Basta tatandaan mo lang pag direct mo 50%. Alright? Now, number 2, punta tayo dito. Matrix Commission. Itong Matrix Commission natin, no? Ang kanyang structure ay power of 2, no? Ikaw yung nasa taas, then may dalawa ka. Ganun ang setup. And yung dalawa po na yan, basta may tao ka sa ilalim, under you, invite mo man o hindi, ang company babayaran ka ng 25 cent. Yung mga tao na yan nagbabayad ng $9.95 every month subscription, okay? Ikaw naman na nag-invite or nasa taas, invite mo man o hindi, babayaran ka bawat tao ng 25 cent ng company. So kung dalawa yan, may 50 cent ka. Kung apat yan, $1. Kung 8 yan, $2. Kung 16 yan, $4. Nagigets nyo na? Okay? Kaya kung tatanungin mo kailan ka kikita sa matrix, ito po ang sagot. Pag meron ka ng tao sa ilalim na nagbabayad ng subscription, invite mo man o hindi. Okay? Ngayon, literal na puno yung power of 2 hanggang level 12. Ang total niyan ay 8,192 members. 8,192 multiplied mo sa 25 cent, that is $2,047.50. Yun po ang reward na makukuha mo month after month after month. Kung mabuo yung 2 by 12. Paano ba yan mabubuo, Coach Fernan? Simple lang. Kung lahat lang, okay, nang nasa structure, mag-enroll kahit tigda dalawa. Basta lahat nag-enroll tigda dalawa, mapupuno po yan. Okay? The reason kung bakit matagal mapuno, mas marami walang ambag, hindi nag enroll. Ganun lang kasimple. Ang gusto, maghintay lang ng income. Mali po yun. Okay? Yung iba nga, kumikita na. Ganun pa rin. Hindi pa rin nag invite eh. Umasa na lang sa natatanggap every month. Okay? O, tuloy natin. Yung Matrix Commission. Okay, pag unrank, ibig sabihin, wala kang rank sa Live Good, hindi ka bronze, hindi ka silver, ang maximum earnings mo is 2,047.50. Kasi hanggang level 12 ka lang babayaran. Kung ma-maximize mo yung level 1 to 12, ibig sabihin puno ng tao yan. 8,192 yan. But if you are bronze, ang bronze napakadali lang. Mag-enroll ka lang ng 2 tao. Okay? Double yung earnings mo sa matrix. Yung 2,047.50 magiging 4,095.50. Bakit? Kasi hanggang level 13 babayaran ka. Nasa 16,000 ang tao niyan. So, bronze and silver, same. 4,095. But if you are gold or platinum, up to 14th level, okay? Kahit ilang tao yun. Basta hanggang 14th level, pasok sa 14th level, babayaran ka ng Live Good. So, ang maximum ng gold, platinum sa matrix is 8,191.50. But if you are a diamond, okay? Up to 15th level, babayaran ka ng Live Good. Okay? Around 65,000 people yan. So, you receive 16,383.50 month after month. Ganun po yon. Okay? So, tatandaan nyo ha, may maximum earnings ang matrix. Depende sa rank. Alright? Kailan ka babayaran sa matrix? Pag meron ka ng tao sa ilalim mo na nagbabayad ng subscription. Invite mo man or spillover. Klaro tayo ron. Okay. Number 3, matching bonuses. Ayan. Ano ba tong matching bonus na to? The matching bonus is by far the most exciting part of the Live Good compensation plan. Sa totoo lang, dito ako na excite, no? Sa matching bonus. Kasi whatever your personally enrolled people earn in the matrix, naalala niyo yung 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000, you can earn half, no? Matching bonus, 50%. May kumita ng $100, direct mo, mayroon kang $50. May kumita ng $500, direct mo, may 50% ka, 250. May kumita ng $1,000, may 50% ka, $500. Paano yung in example natin kanina? may kumita ng $2,000. Direct mo. May 1,000 ka. May kumita ng 4,000. May 2,000 ka. May kumita ng $8,000. May $4,000 ka. May kumita ng $16,000. You receive $8,000. So, bawat direct mo, kung magkano kitain nila sa matrix, you receive 50% matching bonus. Grabe, no? Pinapalakpakan yan. Ngayon, eto maganda. Yung invite mo, may invite din. Silver ka. Okay? Siya naman ang may 50% sa mga direct niya. Pero ikaw, may 10% ka pa. Pag gold ka, may 5% ka pa sa invite ng invite mo sa earning nila sa matrix. Okay? Pag platinum ka, another 5%. Pag diamond ka, another 3%. Okay? Pero meron tinatawag na first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. Pag sinabing generation, down the line po yan. Okay? If you're a diamond, basta direct mo, 50% ka. Okay? Ngayon, meron kang first generation diamond, lahat ng direct niya. Okay? Hindi ka lang 10%, 23%, 10, 5, 5, 3. Lahat ng rank na yan, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, dadaanan yan. Babayaran ka. Okay? Hanggat walang nagda-diamond doon sa ilalim. Okay? 10, 5, 5, 3 ka ron. Ganun katindi. Okay? So kung may mag-diamond na naman, second generation diamond, alright, 10% ka doon sa diamond na yon. Pero sa mga tao niya sa ilalim, okay, ayun, meron ka pang 553, total of 13%. Maunawaan nyo yan kapag ginagawa nyo na to. Kayo mismo, madidiscover nyo po. Ang matching bonus sobrang lawak. Ang laki po ng pwede nyo kitain. Yan ang pinakasentro ng marketing plan natin. Okay? So, the power of matching bonus, ito, example lang to ha. Okay, meron kang personally enrolled, kumita ng 295.25. Magkano kalahati niyan? 147.62. May kumita ng 264.50, may 132.25 ka. Ganun po yon. Basta kung magkano ang earnings ng mga direct mo sa matrix, may 50% ka. Ngayon, pag hindi mo direct, kagaya nito, silver, second gen, kumita ng 338. Oh, meron kang 33.83. Around 10% po yan. Alright? Ganun lang yan. Tuloy natin. Retail commission. Ano ba tong retail commission na to? Okay? Example, if you refer a new customer who choose to pay retail for a product for $24. Ang halaga ng product, 24. Ngayon, ang member price is 16. Magkano difference ng 24 sa 16? $8. Magkano 50% nun? $4. Yun ang kita mo. Yun yung retail commission. 50% ng difference ng member price sa retail price. Nagigets nyo? Parang fast start bonus, pag bronze ka, benta ng tao mo, may 10% ka pa, hanggang 10th level. Pag diamond po kayo. Okay? Customer acquisition bonuses, no? Ito, additional to na bigay ni Ben, no? Pag first time na nag-order ng products, no? Ang member mo, okay? Meron po kayong ito, 10% of that order is paid out as a customer acquisition bonus following the same structure as our fast start commission and retail commission. Ayun, no? Halimbawa, no? Ito, customer acquisition bonus are paid out one time. Okay? One time lang to on your new members first product order. Ayan. First orders are paid out up to $300 worth of products on that initial order. Ma-experience nyo yan, no? Kapag meron kayong mga direct, first time nag-order sila ng product, okay? Meron po kayong kita, kahit member na po yan. Yun ang maganda ron. Number 6, influencer bonuses. Sino ba ang mga influencer? Ito yung mga mahilig mag-vlogs, no? Mag-TikTok, marami kang follower. Kung talagang totoong marami kang follower, no? Halimbawa, isa kang coach, no? Sa isang gym. Okay? Ang daming rumerespeto sa'yo. Abay, promote mo lang yung protein natin. Lahat ng naniniwala sa'yo, magbibilihan yan. So, kapag influencer ka, pag umabot ng $50,000 ang sales mo in a month, no? May additional ka na 50% additional commission plus yung original na 50, kaya total of 100%. Naalala nyo kanina yung 24 minus 16, $8. So hindi na 50% ng $8. 100% sa'yo lahat yun, yung $8. Tama? Paano? Halimbawa, milyon ng follower mo. Ang umorder, 10,000 ng protein. Halimbawa lang. Sa'yo lahat yun, yung $8. 10,000 yung umorder. Oh, 8 times mo sa 10,000. Magkano yun? $80,000. Yun ang kita mo. Ang laki ng kita sa product sa totoo lang pagka na ano nyo na talaga to na market nyo, no? Okay? Although, sinasabi ko nga, you are not obliged to sell products. You are not obliged to buy product. Pero pwede pag gugustuhin mo. Okay? Number 7, Diamond Pool and Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Okay? Pag Diamond po kayo, ayan, 2% po ng total company sales. Okay? Paghahati-hatian ng mga diamond. Pagka Crown Diamond naman po kayo, 0.5% ng total company sales paghahatian ng Crown Diamond. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, halimbawa, ang sales ng company, $15 million. O, magkano 2% nun? Around 300, no? 300,000. Tama ba ako? Oh, $300,000. So paghahati-hatian ngayon yun mga diamond, kung ilang diamond. Kung 100 diamond yun, tig $3,000 sila. Kung 50 diamond, tig $6,000. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Pag crown diamond naman, 0.5%. Paghahatian nila. Kung dalawa lang crown diamond, paghahatian nila ang crown diamond bonus pool. Malaki po talaga, sa totoo lang, no? Kahit ako, nagulat, no, dito sa Live Good. Blessing po talaga ang Live Good. Ako na po nagsasabi sa inyo. Kaya, my fellow network marketer, no, wag niyong hayaan na lumampas ang opportunity nito, no, sa inyo. Because of pride, ayaw mong pakinggan, ayaw mong silipin. Tignan mo, silipin mo hanggat maaga. Hindi yung putok na ang Live Good, no? Tsaka mo sasabihin, sayang, di pa ako nag-Live Good noong pa sana ako ni-invite ni Fernan, no? O ni ganito, ni ganyan. Ngayon pa lang, gawin nyo to. Okay? Ang layo nito sa mga traditional MLM. Ayan, ito po yung mga Live Good Drunk, no, qualification. Ang bronze, 2 personally enrolled lang, bronze ka na. Wala tong marami kang aaralin, no? Sa pag-rank up. Ako 2 days nag-silver, 16 days nag-gold, 41 days nag-platinum, 62 days nag-diamond ako eh. Kasi nga ang simple ng ano qualification. Ang silver, meron kang 10 enroll, total of 20. Halimbawa, yung 10 may tigi-tigisa na enroll, so total of 20, silver ka na. O kaya naman meron kang 3 bronze. Tapos ang total ng team nyo 20, silver ka na. Ang gold, 30 personally enrolled. Okay? Tapos total team 100, gold ka na. O kaya naman, mag-create ka ng 3 direct na mag-silver, tapos total 100. Total 100. Okay? Gold ka na. Ang platinum, eto, meron kasing magaling mag-enroll talaga, no? If you have 100 personally enrolled, tapos total nyo 500, team nyo, down the line, platinum ka na. Pwede yun, ha? Ngayon, kung mahina kang mag-enroll, pero potential naman yung mga na-enroll mo, at least may 3 ka, na mag-gold, ang gold, 100 yan di ba? So may 3 kang nagawang gold, tapos total nyo 500, platinum ka na. Ganun lang po yan. Ang diamond naman, meron kang 3 platinum, total 2,500, you're a diamond. Dali lang po. Okay? Crown diamond. Na-hit po natin yan in just 6 months and 10 days, no? Total team, 50,000. Okay? Tapos bawat line with no more than 10,000 counting. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag 12,000 yan, 10 lang ang bibilangin, 10,000 lang. Ibig sabihin, you need 5 lines na mag-produce ng tig 10,000. Kung hindi man 10,000, 5,000, basta marami kang line na nagpo-produce ng 5,000. Okay? Basta not more than 10,000 in counting. Total 50,000, you're a crown diamond. Ganun kabilis, no? Ayan. Alright. The mind is like an umbrella. It function best when it is open. Tama, di ba? Or it's like a parachute. Dapat open ang mind talaga natin. Ngayon, I'm done, no? Actually, tapos na ako. Bilis ko lang, di ba? Okay. Gusto nyo ba talagang yumaman, no? Sa Live Good? Gusto nyo talagang magbago buhay nyo? Okay? tatlong bagay ang itatanong ko lang sa iyo, no? At hahanapin mo rin sa mga client mo. Number one, okay? May pangarap ka ba? Okay? Pagsamahin ko na, may pangarap ka ba na yumaman? Okay? Gusto mo ba talagang yumaman? Yun ang number one. Okay? Number two, okay? May kilala ka ba? At least lima. Okay? Lima na may pangarap din at gustong yumaman. Okay? Actually, pangatlo pala yon. Ang pangalawa is, meron ka bang 3,000 pesos? 3,000 pesos lang. Okay? Oh, to start in this business, wala pang nga 3,000 pesos eh. And willing ka ba na mag-subscribe? Okay? In the next 5 years, sa halagang $9.95. Magkano lang yun? Di ba? 595 pesos. Okay? In 5 years, mga 28,000 lang yan. Sipin mo, 5 taon na yun ha. Sa dati naming kumpanya, mag-e-enroll ka pa lang, magme-member ka pa lang, 30,000 na agad. Oh, iba pa yung subscription mo every month or auto ship na 10,000 every month. Ganun kabigat. Sa Live Good, 5 taon, 28,000 lang. Believe it or not, hindi mo ikakahirap yun. Pero pwede mong ikayaman. Ulitin ko ha, tatlo. Tatlo lang ang requirements. Okay? Gusto mo bang yumaman? Ayan, may pangarap ka bang yumaman? Mabago yung buhay mo. Okay? Number two, meron ka bang at least 3,000 pesos to start in this Live Good, no? And willing kang magbayad ng subscription every month sa halagang 595 pesos. In 5 years, only 28,000 pesos. Yun lang ang magagasta mo. Tapos meron ka bang lima, at least lima, na may pangarap din, na gusto ring yumaman, at meron ding 3,000 pesos, at willing din magbayad ng subscription in the next 5 years sa Live Good. Pag nangyari yon, ay kayo na po ang magplano kung bibilisan nyo o tatagalan nyo. Okay? Apply natin to. Ito na yung lima na kilala mo. Assuming may pangarap ka, okay, member ka na ng Live Good, ayun, naghanap ka ng lima rin. Itong lima na to, may pangarap din, okay, gusto rin mabago ang buhay, nag-join sa'yo, direct mo lahat yan, meron kang $125. Bawi ka na sa 3,000 pesos mo. Correct? Yung $100, para hindi mo na pinoproblema yung monthly mo na 595 pesos, ibayad mo ng subscription. 1 year. O, di bayad ka na ng 1 year. Yung second year, pag kumita ka uli, bayaran mo yung second year. Okay? 5 years ang target natin. Okay? Level 2, yung 5, di ba? Sabi ko, yung 5. Ganon din ang itatanong mo. Kung may pangarap sila at may kilala rin na lima na may pangarap. 25. Sila naman ang kikita ng $125. Pero, ikaw, meron ka pa rin $125. Yung lima, masaya rin sila. Kumita rin sila. Bawi na rin sila sa 3,000 pesos nila. Sobra-sobra pa. Tama? Anong ituturo mo? Bayaran na rin nila yung 1 year subscription nila para hindi nila pinoproblema yung monthly subscription. So, walang nalalaglag. Okay? Level 3, sabi natin, on the third month. Kasi 1 month mo lang nakuha yung 5. On the second month, may 25 ka. On the third month, 125. Gold ka na. Okay? May $2.5 ka pa rin. Okay? $2.5 times 125 people, meron kang $312.50. Tapos yung 25 naman ang meron tigwa $125, bayaran nila yung 1 year subscription nila. On the fourth month, platinum ka na kasi yung 125, may kilala ring tigli-5 na gusto ring yumaman, mabago ang buhay. Merong 3,000 pesos. Willing magbayad ng subscription in 5 years. Ganun lang kasimple guys, no? So platinum ka, may $2.5 ka pa rin, multiplied mo sa 625 na tao, meron kang $1,562.50. And then on level 5 or on the 5th month, guys, diamond ka na. Bakit? Yung 625, nag-invite ng tigli-5, 3,125, may 3% ka pa rin, $1.5, multiplied 3,125, meron kang $4,687.50. Fast start bonus pa lang yan, guys. Okay? Eh, yung diamond pool mo pa, yung matrix income mo pa, matching bonus mo pa, I can't imagine no, kung magkano ang income na pwedeng mangyari sa'yo pag in-apply mo to. Na, why 10 years? O why power of 5, no? Up to level 10 ang fast start commission natin. I-pass forward na po natin. Up to the 10th level. Grabe, no? Ang total na pwede mong kitain dahil sa power of 5, alright? Dahil sa tatlong bagay na tinanong ko sa'yo, ang pwede mong kitain is around 349 million pesos or $6 million. Okay? Sabihin na natin, isang buwan mo nakuha yung 5. Yung 5, isang buwan din nila nakuha yung tigpa 5 nila. On the 10th month, you have 349 million pesos. Fast start bonus pa lang yan. Okay? Coach Fernan, parang imposible naman yan, 10 months. Okay, gawin natin 10 years. Sabi mo kasi imposible. Siguro naman, yung 5 na yan, nakuha mo na in 1 year. Yung 5 na yan. At yung 5 na yan, kumuha rin ng tigli-5 in 1 year din. So, second year na. So, meaning 10 years, mayaman ka pa rin. 349 million. Okay? Magkano nilabas mo? Less than 3,000 pesos. Tsaka yung 5 kaibigan mo na maniniwala sa'yo. Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang ang kailangan mong sagutin sa sarili mo. May pangarap ba ako na yumaman? May 3,000 ba ako? Meron ba ako at least 5 na kaibigan, kakilala na gusto kong tulungan na mabago rin ang buhay at yumaman? Okay? So, I'm done and gusto kong tapusin sa isang slide na to, no? Time will come, guys. Gawin yung live good ng 5 taon, assuming meron kang 30 direct. Kahit 30 direct lang na nagtuloy. Okay? Parehas kayo ng mindset. Dumating ang time, kumikita yan ng $6,000. Meron kang 50% matching bonus, around $3,000. Times mo sa 30. 30 times $3,000. You receive $90,000 or 5 million every month. So ito yung nakikita ko, no? One day, 5 years from now, umuulan, no? Nang kumikita ng 5 million every month. Can you please type kung isa ka doon? Ayan, type mo 5 million or amen. Sige nga, kung isa ka, after 5 years, na nagpa 5 million or $90,000 every single month because meron kang 30 direct na natulungan na mabago din ang buhay. So, ang secret talaga, ayan, dami nagtatype, oh. Alright, claim it, claim it. Ang secret talaga, no? Kung gusto mo talagang yumaman, kumita ng malaki sa Live Good, simple lang. Ask mo yung sa sarili mo, meron ka na bang natulungan sa Live Good? Kung wala, malabo pong mangyari yun. Okay? Ang yumayaman o kumikita ng malaki sa Live Good, marami siyang taong natulungan na kumikita. Remember the matching bonus? 'Di ba? Yan yung pinaka-sentro ng marketing plan natin. O paano mo may enjoy ang matching bonus na 50% kung wala ka namang direct na kumikita sa matrix? So mag-direct po kayo at yung direct na yan tulungan mong kumita, then you receive matching bonus, magugulat ka. Mayamang ka dito sa Live Good. Ang dami nag-type, oh. Congratulations, ha? Ayan. Alongkaya, Christine, Roman, Zenny, okay, Magda Amar, Vivo, ayan, Mia, Juby Talaran, Emma, Albatera. Simple lang, no? Napakasimple ng Live Good, guys. So, I'm done. Thank you very much, no? And I believe, no? Kayo pong lahat ay napagpala, no? Sa napakagandang opportunity ng Live Good. Ulitin ko po, this is a club membership. This is not a traditional network marketing. Okay? This is a club membership with subscription with dividend. All right? So, kahit simplihan lang natin, humanap ka lang, no, ng at least 5, no, na matutulungan mo na mag-live good, magugulat to kayo isang araw. Mayaman po kayo sa live good. Okay, so I'm done. But we have promo, no? We have promo this month. Ayan. Join Dream Makers Worldwide August Boost Promo. Samantalahin ito, coaches, leaders na nakikinig dito, no? ano nyo to, i-cascade nyo sa team nyo. Blessing to guys para sa akin. Pwede maging double, triple yung numbers ng team mo pag marunong kang mag-cascade dito. Okay? Unleash the power of sharing the Live Good opportunity and enrolling more affiliates. So, paano ba to? Okay? If you enroll two people ngayong August, you get two raffle entries for 20,000 pesos. All right? But if you enroll four, okay, you receive four raffle entries na kung saan ira-raffle yung 30,000 pesos. Ang good news, pati dun sa 20,000, kasama ka pa rin, apat ang entries mo. Okay? So, po pwedeng manalo ka sa 20K, ikaw pa rin ang manalo sa 30K because you have four entries. Now, if you enroll 8 affiliate, no? You get 8 raffle entries na pwedeng manalo ng 50,000 pesos, 30,000 pesos, and 20,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, kapag 8 ang entries mo because you have 8 affiliate enrollee, okay? Kasama ka sa 20,000, 8 entries mo, kasali ka sa 30,000, you have 8 entries pa rin, no? And 50,000, 8 entries. So, po pwedeng isang tao lang pala ang manalo ng 20, 30, and 50? Yes. Okay? Kaya, the more you enroll, the more tickets you have, and the bigger is your chance of winning. So, let's go DMW family. Ngayon, saan isa-send, Coach? Coach Fernand, no? Yung mga entry namin. Ayan, meron po kaming Google link na bibigay sa inyo sa mga GC. Pipilapan nyo po yon. Pag click nyo po yung Google link na yon, ayan po ang lalabas. Lagay nyo yung name nyo, mapipilapan nyo to, matatapos nyo kung may bago kang enroll. Facebook name mo, email address mo, cellphone number mo, para madali kayo makontak. Eto na, name ng bago mong direct. Lagay mo rin yung ID number mo sa LiveGood, ha? Name ng new direct, kailan nag-join. Tapos, punta ka sa may referral mo, i-click mo yung name ng bago mong enroll para makita namin yung date kung kailan talaga siya nag-join at kung sino enroller. I-add file mo dyan, i-upload mo dyan. Okay? And then, yun na po, mako-convert po yun sa raffle entries mo. Okay? Ito po yung itsura ng Google link. Ayan. So, I'm done. Thank you very much. Okay, bilis lang natin, no? Mag-present. Okay? So, cut ko lang to, ha? Thank you sa lahat ng nakinig, no? Sumubaybay sa Zoom presentation na to, pati yung mga nasa live. Maraming salamat po. And sana magkasama-sama tayo rito sa Live Good, ang napakagandang opportunity po. Okay?